Good morning, children. Let us continue the previous class. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of rational numbers. Additive inverse of rational numbers. Let A be a rational number. Let A be a rational number, then minus A be the additive inverse of A, because the sum of A plus of minus A equal to 0 equal to minus A plus A. Example, 3 plus of minus 3 is the additive inverse of 3. So 3 plus of minus means minus, 3 minus 3 0 equal to 0 equal to minus 3 plus 3. It is also equal to 0. Okay, now multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Let A be a rational number. Let A be a rational number. Let A be a rational number, then 1 by A is the multiplicative inverse of A, because the product of A into 1 by A equal to 1 by A into A. Example, 1 by 2 is a multiplicative inverse of 2. Multiply with 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1, because 2 cancel. It can be written as 1 by 2 into 2. 2 cancel. So here 1 is the multiplicative inverse of a rational number. Okay, next, distributive property. Distributive property. Multiplication over addition. So let A, B and C are the three rational numbers. A of B plus C equal to A into B, AB plus A into C, AC. It is the left distributive property. A plus B of C equal to A into C plus B into C. It is right distributive property, multiplication over addition. Let us evaluate some problems regarding the properties of rational numbers. First problem, evaluate A 6 and 8 by 9 minus of minus 7 by 3 and B 2 into 16 by minus 40 and C minus 47 by 15 plus 17 by 5. Now A 6 and 8 by 9 minus of minus 7 by 3. Okay, mixed fraction converted into a proper fraction. 6 9s 54 plus 8. 54 plus 8 means 62 by 9 minus of minus plus 7 by 3. Find the LCM of 3 and 9. 3 and 9 means the LCM is 9. So multiply the second fraction numerator and denominator by 3. 62 plus 7 3 is 21 by the LCM 9 equal to 83 by 9. And B, solution 2 into 16 by minus 40. 2 ones, 2 20s, 4 fours, 4 fives. It is equal to minus 4 by 5 because the denominator cannot be negative. C, minus 47 by 15 plus 17 by 5. The LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. So the second fraction multiply with numerator and denominator by 3. 47 minus 47 by 15 plus 51 by 15. Okay, the denominators are equal, numerator must be add 47 plus 51 by 15. 51 minus 47, 4 by 15. Okay, next problem number D. 0 divided by minus 4 and 7 by 10. Problem number E. 6 and 2 by 3 into 1 and 2 by 7. Okay, D solution. 0 divided by minus 4 and 7 by 10. Okay, 0 divided by, so the mixed fraction convert into a proper fraction. 4 minus 40 plus 7 minus 47 by 10. 0. The division symbol change into the multiplication and write the reciprocal of minus 47 by 10 means minus 10 by 47. 0 into any number, 0 into something, we will get 0. So the answer is 0. Next E. 6 and 2 by 3 into 1 and 2 by 7. Convert into mixed fraction, convert into a proper fraction. 6 3 is 18 plus 2 20. 20 by 3 into 7 1 7, 7 plus 2 9 by 7. So the product of two numbers, two rational numbers means the product of the numerators and the product of the denominators. Now here 3 ones, 3 threes. 20 into 3, 60. 7 into 1, 7. The answer is 60 by 7. Verify A. Problem number A minus B is not equal to B minus A, where A equal to minus 2 by 5, B equal to minus 3 by 7. First take LHS. LHS equal to A minus B equal to, A means just substitute, minus 2 by 5 minus of minus 3 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 5 minus of minus means plus 3 by 7. Now take the LCM of 5 and 7, 35. 35 is the LCM. So the multiply, first fraction multiply with 7 by 7, second fraction multiply with 5 by 5 equal to minus 14, 7 2 is 14 plus 5 3 is 15 by the denominator is 35. So plus 15 minus 14 means the answer is 1 by 35. Now take RHS. RHS equal to B minus A. B minus A. B means minus 3 by 7 minus of minus 2 by 5 equal to minus 3 by 7 minus of minus means plus 2 by 5 and the numerator and denominator multiply with 7 by 7 into 5 by 5 equal to 5 into 3, before minus is there, minus 15, 7 2s 14, 14 by 35 equal to minus 1 by 35. We can observe that clearly LHS equal to 1 by 35, RHS equal to minus 1 by 35. Clearly LHS is not equal to RHS. So the subtraction of any two rational numbers is not commutative, where A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So the property is verified. Okay, verify the associative property. Bracket of A into B, bracket goes into C equal to A into bracket of B into C, where A equal to minus 2 by 5, B equal to minus 3 by 7, and C equal to 21 by 45. First, complete the LHS. Find the value of LHS. LHS means bracket of A into B into C equal to, just substitute, A replace minus 2 by 5 into B replace minus 3 by 7, bracket close, into C into 21 by 45. Solve the first bracket. The product of two rational numbers means the product of the numerators by the product of the denominators. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3 6 by 7 into 5 35 into 21 by 45 equal to, multiply 7 5s 35, 7 3s 21, 3 1s 3, 3 1s 3 5s, still 3 table, 3 2s 3 5s. So 2 into 1 2 by 5 into 5 25. So the LHS answer is 2 by 25. Now RHS equal to A into minus A into B into C equal to, A means minus 2 by 5 into bracket of minus 3 by 7 into 21 by 45. Okay, 7 1s, 7 3s, 21, 3 1s, 3 1s, 3 15s, again 3 1s, 3 5s. So the remaining is minus 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 5. Minus of minus plus 2 into 1 2 by 5 into 5 25. Once after the LHS 2 by 25 and the RHS also 2 by 25. So LHS equal to RHS. So bracket of A into B into C equal to A into bracket of B into C. So the product of three rational numbers is associative. Okay, next. Solve the following by rearranging. 3 by 7 plus of minus 6 by 11 plus of minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. Okay, solution. See, once observe the denominators. It is the 7. 21 is the multiple of 7. 22 is the multiple of 11. So, write the decimal side 3 by 7 plus of minus 8 by 21 plus of minus 6 by 11 plus 5 by 22. Now first find the LCM of these two fractions. So LCM is 21 multiply with numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 is 9 by 21 plus of minus 8 by 21 plus and the denominator 11 22. LCM is 11 and 22. Multiply with numerator and denominator by 2. So minus 12 by 22 plus 5 by 22. Add the numerator and denominator. Add the numerator and denominator. 9 minus 8 means 1 by 21. Minus, add the numerator 12. Minus 12 plus 7 means minus 7 by 22. Now 21 and 22 are the co-primes. The product of these two numbers is the LCM. 21 into 1, 22 minus 7 into 21, 7 1, 7, 7 2 is 14 by 22 ones 22, 2 2, 22 2s 44, 44 2, 46. Subtract 7 means 5, 4 2 means 2, minus 1 by 4 6 2. Okay. Next problem. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 by 5 if one of the number is minus 2 by 7. Find the other number. So, first let the other number be x. Now is given the sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 by 7. Means one number is x and the given one number minus 2 by 7 equal to the sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 by 5. Other number plus one of the number equal to minus 2 by 5. X equal to minus 2 by 5. In this side number plus in the left side. So the right side is minus of minus 2 by 7. Right? 2 by 5 minus of minus means plus 2 by 7. Now the LCM of 5 and 7 means 35. So the first fraction multiply with numerator and denominator 7 by 7. And the second fraction multiply with numerator and denominator by 5 equal to 7 2s 14 plus 5 2s 10 by 7 5s 35 equal to 24 by 35. So 24 by 35 is the other number. Okay, which is greater? Minus 2 by 7 of 51 or 3 by 2 of 13 by minus 28. So compare here two numbers. One is minus 2 by 7 of means the product into 51 or 3 by 2 of means the product into 13 by minus 28. So here the product of the numerators by the product of the denominators. 51 into 2 minus 102 by 7 into 1 7 or 33 is 39 by 28 use minus 56. So the negative cannot be the denominator. So minus 39 by 56. Now find the LCM of 7 and 56. The LCM of 7 and 56. LCM of 7, 56 is 56 because 56 is the multiple of 7. So the numerator and denominator multiply with 8 by 8. 8 to 16 minus 816 by 56 or minus 39 by 56. Now compare these two numbers. So minus 36 by 56 is greater than minus 816 by 56. So minus 39 by 56 is greater than minus 816 by 56. Okay, give two equivalent rational numbers of 11 by 19. We can find infinite equivalent rational numbers of for any rational number by the multiplication of numerator and denominator with same number, or by the dividing numerator and denominator with the same number. But we require two equivalent rational numbers of 11 by 19. So here the two equivalent rational numbers of 11 by 19 means multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number means multiply with numerator and denominator by 2. 2 into 11, the product of two rational numbers, the product of numerators by the product of denominator. It is one number. And the 11 by 19 multiplied with numerator and denominator by 3. So the product of two numbers means 11 into 3, 33, 93 is 57. Okay, write the product of minus 17 by 2 into bracket of minus 3 by 4 in the P by Q form. Means the number can be written P by Q form, rational number. Solution: minus 17 by 2 into minus 3 by 4. So here clearly the product of two rational numbers means the product of the numerators by the product of the denominators. So minus 17 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 17 is 51 by the product of the denominators. 4 into 2, 8. So 51 by 8 is in the P by Q form. Convert 0.52 into P by Q form. Express it is in the simplest form. Right? Solution: given number 0.52. After decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So the multiply 0.52 numerator and denominator with the same number means convert into a 52 by 100. It is in the P by Q form. Express it is in the simplest form. The rational number is always simplest form. Can be changed into a simplest form. So 2, 26, 52, 2 50s, 100. Again 2 13s, 26, 2 25. So 13 by 25 is the simplest form.